Hello, dear students, DP Stapanyu. Myself, my name is Pravesh Anand. I hope you all are safe from each and every type of evil diseases. Now we are going to learn about introduction of computer. That is chapter number first. In this class, today's class, we all together, divided into four parts. This topic that is divided into four parts. That is first one is that is introduction. Second topic is that characteristic or feature of computer. Third one is limitation of computer, and fourth one is application of computer. Now let us discuss about each and every topic which we divided into four parts, each other simultaneously in detail. Okay. Now let us see introduction. The word that is computer. Okay. Computer is derived from Latin word that is computere, which means that computer is a device, or electronic device. Computer is an electronic device where we give instruction or data. Computer can accept it, and after accepting, after its process, give us meaningful result. Now we learned about this 2-number topic, that is characteristics or features of computer. Characteristics and features of computer, there are various topics inside it. Let us count this each and every topics and we will discuss in detail. That is first number below, that is characteristics or features of computer, that is speed, accuracy, automatic operation, delicious, versatility, reliability and storage capacity. Now let us discuss about this each and every topic in detail. First one is that speed. We discuss about speed. Our computer work very high speed. As same as the light of speed. You ever know that in science? You learn that the speed of light, it very fast, super fast. That light of speed. Same as our computer also. The working speed of our computer is same as the speed of light. Light travels same as. Now computer work the processing task. That all the task, operation task same as it is. That is the electric pulses. Now come to this speed. We discuss about the measurement of speed. Like others, that is length is measured in kilometer, mass is measured in kg, and distance is measured in meter. Same as our, that is the speed of that working also we measure in, that is millisecond, microsecond, nanosecond and picosecond. Let us see about this speed, that is millisecond. 1 millisecond is equal to 1 upon 1000, which means that 1 millisecond is equal to 1 upon 1000, which means that 10 to the power minus 3. Come to the next microsecond. Microsecond is 1 upon million. Microsecond means 1 upon million or 10 to the power minus 6. Let us come about that is nanosecond. Nanosecond, which means that billion, which means that 10 to the power minus 93. Another picosecond is a trillionth or 10 to the power minus 12. Let us see about that 2-number, that is storage. First speed, after we completion this speed we discuss. Next one is that accuracy. Accuracy, computer are very exact or accurate. The mistakes we see in the front of us, that is the mistakes of human beings, okay, entering the data or entering the data is with human beings, okay, or the working performance of a computer, okay, that is error. Sometimes we functions or operate the machine, sometimes the error of a computer. The result output, okay, the mistakes, that is with the wrong entry of data or the computer performance error. Next, so we know that computer is, the working of a computer is accurate or exact. There is no any mistake computer cannot. We know about this topic, that is computer cannot do mistake by itself. Now come to the next topic, that is automatic operation. Automatic operation, okay, we see in, even we go in a supermarket, okay, we see that, we will see in a supermarket, whenever we enter from the door, and the door is automatically opened, okay. Then after, while we are, okay, after completion of the shopping, okay, we come out, and if any person can not payment of any types of goods, okay, the barcode is not entered in a computer and come out from that door, and the machine will, okay, give pop-up sound, which means that there all are instruction given previous coding. There are, okay, inside the coding previous enter that instruction. These all type of, which means that one time the instruction given, it's all together, okay, do automatically, okay, which means that computer also, okay, the characteristic of computer is that automatic operation, it do automatic operation. Okay, let us talk about one example, another like a washing machine. Washing machine, first of all we start from the power button and start the, okay, machine, okay, machine on, and it will work automatically, okay. This is also an automatic operation. Now we understand that the topic of automatic operation, come to the diligence. Diligence, the topic of diligence, which means that the computer cannot, okay, computer, the diligence in these topics, okay, computer work simultaneously, computer work simultaneously again and again, okay, computer do not tired, it works simultaneously. Let us see one example. If a printer one documents, you can print out, okay, print out at the same speed. If a person can, okay, print 100 of documents, okay, there is no any reduce of a working performance of a computer. Same time, if one time of a print one documents, at the same time 100 documents also print as the same average, there is no reduce the working performance of a computer. Okay, diligence. Now come to the next topic is versatility. Okay, versatility, which means that a computer work various type of tasks at a single time, at a same time, okay, like a documents creation, photo editing, okay, photo editing, music compression, okay, word compression, is sending email and receiving email, okay, these all are within the same computer, okay, we do multiple tasks at the same time. Now reliable, next topic is reliable. Computer have very high reliability, okay, each and every part of a computer, it is not damaged, okay, easily. So it is very high lifespan of a computer. Now next one is storage capacity. Storage capacity, computer has very high storage capacity, okay. There are two type of storage capacity, basically we divide, one is primary, okay, storage, and another is secondary storage, which means that secondary is the, okay, which is permanent storage capacity also. We call that permanent storage capacity. Let us discuss about the measurement of storage capacity. Okay, that is, first we know that primary, that is RAM. Okay, second one is that is hard disk, CD. Okay, other, these all are secondary, where store the data permanently for further use. And in RAM, okay, whenever we start the computer, start and operate the any type of documents, we, okay, create any type of documents. If there is no save, okay, it is directly goes on first of all RAM and store in a RAM. After we save it, okay, it directly goes on secondary storage, and it is also permanent. Secondary storage is permanent, and primary storage device there is, okay, temporary storage, because, okay, whenever we after not saving the documents, we turn off the computer, our documents or data will erase. Okay, that's why it is temporary storage device. Come to the next topic, that is storage device. On the topic of storage device, we calculate it. Okay, that is one bit is equal to 0 or 1, which means that one bit is equal to 0, either 0 or 1, because we all have to know that our computer work on the binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, computer cannot understand other language except binary language. Okay, now come to the next, that is, now we discuss about 4 bit. 4 bit is equal to 1 nibble, which means that there is 4 bit, which means that there is 4. 1 0 1 0. Altogether how many digits? That is 1 2 3 4, which means that there is 4 digits. 4 digits means that 4 bit. Okay, now you understand these topics. Now, and 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. Come to the next, that is 8 bits. 8 bits is equal to same as 2 nibble and 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, and next 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. Okay, 1024 terabyte is equal to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. Okay, these all are the storage capacity of a hard disk. Okay, now this we can measure. Now come to the next topic. After we completion of that introduction of computer, second one is characteristic of computer. We learned about all these things. Come to the next topic, that is limitation of computer. Okay, in third topic, that is limitation of computer. Okay, there are, we write there many limitation of computers are there, but we discuss only, okay, basically these two limitation. No IQ, computer does not have IQ. Okay, intelligence, computer do not think like a human being. Okay, computer cannot its own decision. All the tasks done by computer, it is depend upon the what, it is done on for instruction. Okay, with the help of instructions. Now come to the next, that is no feelings. Computer does not have feelings like emotion, love and affection. Okay, love and affection, these all things computer does not have. Okay, and computer, so that's why computer does not tire while working many times simultaneously. Okay, again work again and again and again, and computer does not, okay, confuse, okay, and does not discrimination between users, because it have no love and affection, not emotion. Let us example. Okay, now after the completion of that is topic number first, second and third, and now application of computer. Application of computer, there are various application of computers are there in the era of science and technology, and in short we say that there is no any place where the computer not used. Each and every place the computer used. Students, you say that where the computer not used? That is question, where the computer not used? Now, each and every place the computer used. There is no any place where computer not used. Although we know that in short that is computer used each and every place. Come to the, okay, topic, that is the area where computer used. Come to the next, that is always summarize this area where computer used. Okay, that is home, education, health and medicine, entertainment, banking, business, science and technology, okay, designing and engineering. Let us discuss about this all the topics, the application of area computer use in detail. Okay, that is first number is home. The computer use home for the, okay, creating the documents, playing music, video, film, etc. Okay, next education. The area of the computer used in education, okay, for learning, interaction of, okay, to making the notes and cards. Teachers use the computers to making notes, okay, and check or gathering the information. And the another one is the area of education in computer is to, okay, learn online. And one of the best example is that computer education in computer, okay, we will interact between each other in various types of, like a Zoom Meet, WhatsApp, Viber, Emo. These all are the media, okay, application where the students interact for the motive of learning. Okay. Come to the next, that is health and medicine. Computer use at the sector of health, okay, the management used, that is to manage the hospitality about the, okay, nursing home and OT theater, etc. all that. And we find out that is the diseases of a patient and care for overcome out that diseases. And also nowadays the operation is also done by the computer. Okay. Second one is entertainment. With the help of computer, entertainment, okay, we playing the various type of video game, okay, listening music and other chatting, okay, group chatting. These all are with the help of computer we can do entertainment. Come to the next, that is banking. The computer use banking to record the financial transaction of a bank and the user's activation and all the records of a transaction of a users, and also the ATM, okay, we use the ATMs for the transaction, that is, okay, this is used in the banking. And also computer used for the money counting and check verification. These all are done by bank with the help of computer. Come to the next point, that is business use their okay, merchant with the interaction between merchant to with the help of, that is, computer, okay, related to the business activities, payment or goods transportation, order, whatever this. Okay. Come to the next, that is that business. There are various types of application also. Online marketing. Okay. This is all. This is also fall under this. That is business. Science and technology. There are various research are done with the help of, that is, computer. Online, that is science and technology. Missile. Okay. Missile blasting, bomb blasting, war. Okay. These all the things we can do with the help of computer in science and technology, or in the era of science and technology. This is also the era of science and technology. Various things to discover with the help of computer. Come to the next, designing. Designing, the use of computer designing. Okay. This is the garment designing and other, that is the software designing. These all are done with the help of, that is, computer. Come to the next, that is engineering. The engineer use the computer, okay, architecture, that is to designing the buildings, designing the roads, okay, designing the engineers, automobile engineers use the computer to designing the engine of the, that is engine of the machine. Now students, today class all these things, okay. If there is any confusion, please ask in social media. Okay. Now thank you.